Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that affects a lot of people, coping with cash scarcity. Whether it's due to unexpected expenses, job loss, or any other reason, a lack of cash can be stressful and challenging to deal with. But don't worry, we've got some tips and strategies that can help you cope and even come out stronger. First, let's talk about some things you can do to manage your current financial situation. Create a budget. The first step to coping with cash scarcity is to create a budget. List all of your expenses and income to understand what you have and where it's going. A budget can help you make the necessary adjustments and prioritize essential expenses. 2. Reduce expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, look for areas where you can reduce your expenses. This can be as simple as cooking at home instead of eating out or canceling subscriptions you don't need. 3. Find ways to earn extra cash. If you're struggling to make ends meet, finding ways to earn extra cash can be helpful. Consider selling items you no longer need, taking on freelance work, or participating in paid surveys or studies. Now let's talk about some strategies you can use to improve your financial situation in the long run. Build an emergency fund. One of the best things you can do to prepare for unexpected cash scarcity is to build an emergency fund. Start by saving a small amount each month and gradually increase it until you have 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved. Increase your income. While reducing expenses can be helpful, increasing your income is another way to improve your financial situation. Look for ways to advance in your career, take on a side hustle, or invest in a business. Learn to manage your finances. Finally, learning to manage your finances can help you cope with cash scarcity in the long run. Consider taking a personal finance course, reading financial books, or working with a financial advisor. Remember, coping with cash scarcity isn't easy, but it's not impossible. With these tips and strategies, you can make the best of your situation and come out stronger. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.